my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I love to do crafts, Dollar Tree hauls, swaps, collabs, and I also enjoy promoting other crafters' channels. So today I just want to let you guys know about Rebecca Creates. Her channel name is Rebecca Creates, and it will be linked down below in the description box. And she's having a subby appreciation giveaway. I know I'm coming in late. It ran actually from October 1st till the 15th. So you do have a tiny bit of time to get on in and make a video for Rebecca to help promote her channel for being a subscriber. She's an amazing crafter, and she's also giving away with her craft a PayPal gift card. So hopefully you guys will want to join in, share her channel, and promote her growth. So that is it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. As always, hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.